going? So today's video is a little different than my normal sewing tutorials because I was gonna head out and film the introduction for my next sewing tutorial, which will be for this romper I'm wearing, when I decided it'd be fun to go ahead and get ready on camera and show you a little bit of my pre-filming routine. So I'm gonna show you a super simple makeup look and hairstyle, and I'm also gonna show you how I like to accessorize and kind of my thought process when I'm putting together the outfit for one of my sewing tutorials. So I hope you enjoy this different style video, and don't forget to stay tuned because in my very next video, I'll be showing you how to make the romper. So to start, I'm gonna do a super simple makeup routine. It's really hot out, so I don't like to cake on the makeup during summer, and I actually don't have my romper on yet because I'm a tad bit accident prone, so I don't like doing anything to risk getting makeup or really spilling anything on the outfit that I'm gonna film until I have it on camera. I've already washed my face, and I always like to start out my makeup routine by moisturizing. And lately I've been using this Mix Easy face cream, and they were actually kind enough to send me a few products, and they even gave me a coupon code to share with y'all. And no, I'm not getting paid to say this, so don't worry, it's my total honest opinion. The thing that appealed to me about this brand is that they make everything customized and they're also totally natural. So you get to pick exactly what you want in your face cream, which for me as a seamstress, I like customizing my clothes, so the fact that I could customize my skincare was super appealing to me. So I added ingredients that were good for anti-aging and evening out the skin tone, and I really enjoyed this moisturizer. I'm going to do a super quick and bright eye look, and to start I'm going to put the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer on because I have oily eyelids and I need something to help the eyeshadow stay. And then I'm setting that with a skin toned eyeshadow. To add a little bit of color and brightness, I'm going to be using this peach colored Wet n Wild eyeshadow on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be putting that above my eyelid, through the crease, and around the side of the eyelid as well. You can use any color you want. I just find that peachy and pink colors really bring out the green in my eyes. To give a little bit of shimmer to the eyes, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow, and I'm literally just going to put it right on my finger like this to get the most color payoff, and I'm going to apply it right to the eyelid. To add just a touch more definition, I'm going to use a black felt tip liquid liner and line my lash line. To complete the eyes, I'm going to curl my lashes and add some mascara. I really like this Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara for summer, and I've been using a lot of Wet n Wild products because they're really affordable and they're really good quality too. And that is all I'm doing for the eyes, and I'm going to move back to the face. And to prime my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer because it does help keep my face matte during the hot and humid months. To add a little bit of glow to my face, I'm going to take this Clinique highlighter in the shade Hefty Highlight and dab it on my cheekbones. I'm not going to use a liquid foundation because they always look so heavy on my skin, so I'm actually going to go in with a powder foundation, and I'll be using this Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder Foundation, and I'm going to use a big fluffy brush and just apply it all over my face. I really like the look of powder foundation because it's just super natural and you can still see your natural skin shine through. I love blush to brighten up the cheeks, so I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution blush palette in the shade Sugar and Spice, and I'm just using an e.l.f. blush brush. For brows, I'll take the Essence Make Me Brow in the shade Soft Brownie Brows, and this is just like a really great one-stop shop for brows that fills them in, gives them color, and keeps them in place. And if you're super lazy like me, it's nice to have all that in one step. And finally, for the makeup, I'm just going to take this lip gloss. This is the Ulta Butter Bomb Lip Gloss in the shade Belle, and I'm just going to add a little bit of shine to my lips. And that is all I'm doing for the makeup, a super quick and simple routine. So now I'm going to move on to the hair. Normally I'd throw my hair into a braid or a bun because I've been growing it out for a while and I haven't gotten it cut in a long time, but it's been looking a lot better and I've been wearing it down more because I started using this Mix Easy shampoo and conditioner. I really like it because I added detangling and strengthening ingredients and I have definitely noticed them working well. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair and leave it down today. Whenever I pick accessories for the outfit in a sewing tutorial, I always like to pick pieces that either go with the fabric color or maybe pick up on a detail in the fabric or just go with the overall vibe of the outfit. And because my romper has a little silver button on the back to close it, and it also has a little bit of white in the fabric print, I decided I'm going to use this white flower hair bow I made recently because obviously the white goes with the little bit of white in the romper and the silver button matches the button on the romper. So I'm going to clip it into my hair for a fun summery detail. And now I'm going to go ahead and change and show you the jewelry I picked out. So as you can see, I now have my romper and my jewelry on, and I chose this necklace because it's a little sea glass necklace I got recently, and I thought it was a nice dainty piece that would go along with the summery romper really well. And then for bracelets, I chose these bangles that are blue and silver because the blue goes along really well with the romper. And then I also chose my rings based on color. These are blue and silver as well, so obviously they kind of fit the color theme I have going. So I hope you enjoyed this different type of video, getting ready with me to film, and I hope you'll have a fantastic day. And don't forget to stay tuned because the next video I post, I'll be showing you how to sew the romper. Bye y'all!